Hey guys, Brian here. Today we're going to take a look at how easy it is to organize your Tesla charge cables with the topfit cable organizer. If you're anything like me, you started off with a tangled mess of cables in your garage like this. Installing a charge cable organizer is simple. This one happens to be made out of a durable plastic construction and it takes about 5 minutes to install. Here's how to do it. It comes with this mounting bracket that has 2 screws that go into it directly into your wall. If you happen to have a finished wall, as some garages do, then it also comes with drywall anchors like these. Once you have that back plate on there, it's as simple as sliding this on. And now you have a nice stable surface for you to mount your charging cable. No more dangling wires all over your garage. And you just plug it in as easy as that. When it's time to release, you just pull up slightly and it slides right out. As you can see, install only takes a couple minutes, and when you're done, you have a nice setup in your garage. You don't have to worry about damaging your charge cable or having a tangled mess to look at every day. To get yours, check out the link in the description below, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button to get more tips and tricks and product reviews coming your way. Thanks everyone.